Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa mga July girls na to dira, namely J, Inday, and Budik. So, ako ang wish sa inyo ha is July. So, J stands for joy. So, I'm praying and hoping that you will receive more joy sa mga coming na days sa inyong kinabuhi, and U is for unforgettable moments. So I pray na, I hope na you have unforgettable moments during your special day, but not only for your special day, but also for the coming days ahead of you. And L is for love in all the things that you do. So I hope that whatever you do, you will do it for love, you will do it for yourself, and I hope also that you will share more love to the people around you. So para ma-bless po sila sa inyo ha. And last but not the least is years. So praying to God na God will give you more brighter years ahead of you, and I hope you will feel more happiness, siguro no? More happiness, more love sa coming mga days inyo ha. And nadiga additional day, I hope nga si Inday or si G, no? Si Budik kaya na si Budik na naman na siya love life. I hope na later on, no pressure ha. Later on, makakita na mo right guy to come for you. I-pray dyan na ninyo umayo. No pressure, dili magdali. So, happy birthday. I love you 3 July girl. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hello, July babies! Happy birthday! My prayer is that may you continue to be the sunshine, not just with your group, but to all the people that you may encounter. Be a blessing to everyone. God bless, and once again, happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, G!
Dong.
And
Leveling.
oh yeah. Wishing all three of you an amazing birthday month with love.
And happiness.
And remember, now that you're another year older,
And officially
you're officially
wiser. Just kidding. You're awesome and crazy as ever. All of you.
Seriously, here's a birthday tip for your three of you. Just
Eat cake
for
3 times a day. Lunch, breakfast, dinner. Just like you should like put it all together by yourself.
breakfast.
Lunch and dinner, yeah. This is what she wanted to say.
It's a birthday rule. And
Exactly.
B, bigger.
Always wish you 3 of you.
Enjoy your celebration, girls. We love you and miss
I love you
you.
and miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tiba G. Wish na ko sa imuha nga good health, stay strong, ug amping permanente nga ta makauyab na ka.
Ako pong wish nga ang imong kinaiya permanente o may panlawas po healthy niya malipayon ka sa imong pagkaikaw karon by the bliss of God. Thank you.
Happy birthday, bye-bye.
Hi Ate Bien, good morning and happy birthday. So, this day is your birthday. Wala ko tingog kayo. Mabuo na lang ako. Ate, happy birthday. And hinaote, makita na kasi mo the one. Kaya di ko musugot nga magmangkay ka te. Kaya if magmangkay ka te, ako'y masunod sa imong pagmangkay te. Munang dapat tulay mangkay sa atong linya te. Understood? Sure. Ito, te. Amping mo diha. Permit, te. And I love you all. I miss you all. And balik na mo sa Pinas. Kay, magbanding na punta. Dapat, if maulit mo Pinas, kanang naanak ko. Kanang maapil ko sa niyong banding. Di kay absent ko. Ma, di pwede absent ko. Ano to siya? I love you all. Mingon ako ninyo. Mwah!
Day to birthday na. I wish sa inyo balik-balik na joy na makapunta na ka someday my prayers will come true. Kantahan mo hindi. Dayon di akan sa itong pagkakwapo din ha. Sa itong pagka-sexy. Dahil kuan more shoes to come para yung mga nag-iatag yung mga nasunghan nga na shoes sa ako. Willing po daw at sa kanya. Sige ka nimo. Ayun. Siyang batikod ano eh. Ayun ka na. Wala. Padayon sa pagka-pretty like me. I love you.
Hi, Ate Levelyn. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Hello, mga sawadika. Happy birthday kay Ate Bidon o kay Ate Inday. No? And akong wish ninyo is more memories and more birthday to come and good health. No? And amping ko kanunay diya. God bless. Sawadika.